Cut the banding straps from the box. Lift off the top cardboard cover. Remove contents from the box. Break down sides of remaining cardboard box. Please note the console and other items are underneath the deck of the treadmill. Remove tools from the hardware pack and open hardware for step 1. Attach left console mast to mainframe bracket using 3 bolts, 3 spring washers, and 3 arc washers. Do not tighten bolts until step 3 is complete. Pull lead wire through the right console mast. After pulling the lead wire through the mast, the top of the console cable should be located at the top of the mast. Attach right console mast to mainframe bracket using 3 bolts, 3 spring washers, and 3 arc washers. After opening hardware for step 2, with the console upside down, attach console mast caps to the console using 6 bolts, 6 spring washers, and 6 flat washers. Please note, some models will not use this step as the console mast caps come pre-assembled on the console. After opening hardware for step 3, connect the console cables, carefully tucking wires in mast to avoid damage. It may be helpful to have a second person for this step. Gently place the console on top of the console masts. Attach the left side first using 3 bolts, 3 spring washers, and 3 arc washers. Repeat on the right side, being careful not to pinch any wires while assembling the mast. After opening hardware for step 4, connect the console cables, discard the twist tie, and slide the console cables into the center bar. Attach handlebars to center bar using 4 bolts, 4 spring washers, and 4 arc washers. Do not tighten bolts until step 5 is complete. Do not pinch wires while assembling the handlebars. Not all models use this step, as some handlebars are pre-assembled on the machine. Now you may completely tighten all bolts from step 1.